Hey, it's Jack here. Today we're going to take a look at the 2020 top Star Wars Holocron series trading cards. I purchased 2 hobby boxes from Blowout Cards in Virginia. And I'd like to reach out and say thank you to Sith Lordy for telling me about these cards. I'll leave a link to both of those down below in the description of this video. The basic card set has 200 cards. There are 12 boxes per case, 18 packs per box, and 8 cards per pack. I've got 2 boxes here. Without further ado, let's get these opened. To help us with this unboxing is Kayla Cummings K-Pop, a zombie model. I have to say, Blowout Cards did a fine job of wrapping these up. They boxed it, and they wrapped it in a bubble wrap. Great job, Blowout Cards. Thank you. 2 boxes of the Holocron cards. Today we're just going to open up one of these boxes. So let's take a look at what we got. I'll set the other one off to the side. We'll do a video on that one later on. So here's what the box looks like. 1 autograph card per box guaranteed. So let's see who our autograph is. I'm hoping for a Rey autograph, but there's other stars out there, other characters that are just as fun as Rey. We'll see who we get. If you're using scissors like I am to cut these open, be very careful not to cut the cards. Pinch the cards down to the bottom and cut it right across the top. These are good looking cards. Oh, this is a special one. This has got a hologram graphic look. I don't know if that's being picked up on the camera. But that's Commander Cody. This is a foil card, and this is a parallel card. So those 2 will go into loaders as soon as I'm done. If you guys see any of these cards that you like, reach out to me on the comments, and we'll see if we can't make those available to you. I'm a collector. I'm looking for certain cards, but I don't need all of these. So if you see any that you like, just let me know in the comments, and we'll see what we can do for you. Okay, let's see who we get here. There's Finn. That's a good looking card right there. It looks almost 3D. We got Darth Maul, Vice Admiral Holdo, Janna, ooh, infamous Darth Vader. Here's Commander Cody on a parallels. We've got a foil of Han Solo, and there's a Dagobah. First Order Stormtrooper, Anakin Skywalker, Zori Bliss. There is Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, that's a parallel. And we got Ushar, and our planet here is Tatooine. Captain Phasma. Thought that was a foil card at first, but it's not. There is Baby Yoda, the child. Another Darth Vader. Savage Opress. Oh, we've got 2 greens in this one. The Anakin Skywalker card is a special insert. In fact, there's 10 lightsaber cards, and this is just one of them. And then they have parallels of each one of these also. This looks like just a standard lightsaber card, but 1 in 10, you get a 1 in 3 chance of getting these in the hobby packs. I've opened 4 hobby packs, and I've had 1 so far. There's Moff Gideon, Grand Moff Tarkin, Luke Skywalker card. General Grievous, that's a parallel. There's a Stormtrooper, got the foil. And aboard the Millennium Falcon. Nice looking cards. These are really good. It was a good purchase from Blowout Cards. Thank you, Sith Lordy, again. Shout out to you. Thank you for telling me about these cards. They are really cool. Krill card. We've got a standard Han Solo. We got the foil Han Solo, and we got the standard Han Solo. There's DJ, Yoda. Parallel. Oh, and there's another Ushar. So far, Ushar, I've got a foil and a green one, and there's Mace Windu's lightsaber. So another lightsaber card, and we're on the average here. It says 1 in 3 packs. I've opened 6 packs, and we've had 2 lightsaber cards. Count Dooku. There's Dio, Agent Kallus, Emperor Palpatine. Some of these names, if I don't pronounce them, it's because I don't know how they're said, and I don't want to embarrass myself. And I know I enjoy Star Wars, but I don't know all the characters, especially from the animated, so just bear with me on that. There is an Emerald Chewbacca. And then, oh, we've got another lightsaber. And she's from the animated series, and I believe she was also in The Mandalorian. Nice looking cards. Windu. Now I notice there is a card here that seems a little bit wider than the rest of the cards here near the bottom. I'm just going to leave that one. We'll go through this pack and we'll see what we get. Chewbacca. There's a Boba Fett. Mother Talzin. We've got an autograph. Lux Bonteri from the animated series. There's our autograph right there. That card was not the one that's wider though. We're going to set him off to the side. I'm going to put that one in a loader right away. Actually, that was the wider card. So that card was slightly wider when I held the cards in my hand. So the back of the card reads, "You've just received an authentic autograph card of Jason Spicek as Lux Bonteri." How cool is that? From the animated series. Very cool. So if you're interested in this autograph card, let me know in the comments and we'll see what we can do about getting that over to you. Hey, we got Kanan Jarrus, R2-D2, K2SO, Boba Fett, another Chewbacca, General Grievous. This is Grievous. This is a parallel. This is a green parallel. Oh, look at that. We've got a foil of him in the same pack. Pretty. Mace Windu. Another one of those. Jabba the Hutt. Pre Vizsla. Another Darth Vader. There's Poe Dameron. Green one. Another green one of Kanan Jarrus. So Kanan Jarrus, we've got a foil. We've got a green and a standard card of him. And we got Naboo. Very cool. Okay, we got Val, Ben Obi-Wan Kenobi, IG-88, Governor Price, Han Solo card. There's a green Mace Windu, green Darth Vader. And I'll probably destroy that, so I'll let you fans take a look and see what planet we got. There's a Chewbacca, there's Pow, the Grand Inquisitor, Darth Vader again, General Grievous, Poggle the Lesser. There, oh, we've got a orange Usher, and Mandalore. That's from the Mandalorian. This planet of Mandalore. Okay, in this pack we got Bistane, Padme. There's Yoda, Admiral Akbar. Oh. Oh, how cool. How very cool. This is a 1 in 78 packs chance of getting a sketch card. This one is from Chris K. We're going to flip this over and see what sketch we've got. Oh, it's Baby Yoda. How cool. That one's staying with me, folks. I'm not trading this. Very cool card. Thank you, Topps. Thank you, Blowout Cards. Thank you, Sith Lordy. Very cool card. That one will be going into a loader shortly. Green Chewbacca. There's a gold foil. Oh, and we got another lightsaber. How cool. Okay, I took the time out to put this into a protective cover. This is a very cool card. Autograph card. Sketch card by Chris K. Very cool. See Princess Leia on top. Mon Mothma. Princess Leia again. Very cool. Got 2 Princess Leia, different Princess Leias in the same pack. Tobias Beckett. Bossick. Grief Karga. There he is. In that's a green one. And we got, oh, we've scored with this guy today. And we've got the Yoda Lightsaber. How cool is that? Doing really good on the lightsaber cards. We've received 5 in this box so far. General Grievous. I keep saying his name wrong. Pardon me on that one. Some more. Jango Fett. There's a Finn card. There's a Boba Fett animated. Pow. Poggle the Lesser. That is a foil card. And yet another lightsaber. Cool. We are on 6 lightsabers, which should be the lightsabers for this box. We'll see if we get any others. Jyn Erso. I like that character. There's another Padme. Cad Bane. General Hux. Oh, Cara Dune, one of my favorite characters from Mandalorian. The Grand Inquisitor. Oh, there's an orange Anakin Skywalker. And Free from the Carbonite. That's from. There's Beaumont Kin. Boss Nass. Watto. Kylo Ren. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Baze Malbus. Chewbacca in green. Those are both in green. And a comforting bin. And this is our last pack for this 18-pack box, 8 cards per pack. I'll do a recap when I get done. Urza Bridger, Luke Skywalker. Again, that one name I will destroy. Chancellor Han Solo green. General Leia Organa green. And a Heist on Vandor. Well, that does it for these cards for this pack. I'll go through, I'll sort out the inserts, see what our count is, see if it comes up to be what the documentation says, and I'll be back on camera shortly. So the base set consists of 200 cards, and then there's parallels on the base set. So there's 200 more cards that are orange, green, purple, black, red, or what they call printing plates. I didn't get any printing plates. The orange parallel set, there's a 1 in 22 hobby packs you get orange parallel. I actually got 2 in this, so I'm ahead there. If you're interested in either of these 2 cards, let me know. I'll get them out to you. We'll work out to where we can get them over to you. The green parallel set is the most common. The checklist doesn't show a 1 in whatever. It just says there's a green parallel. I got 25 out of the 18-pack set, so these seem fairly common of a insert. If there's any of these that you're interested in, let me know. So on the lightsaber cards, there's a 1 in 3 chance of getting that. There's 18 packs in the box. I've got 6, so that balanced out. Now, where I have a question, those of you that know these cards better than I, these look to be different, as the ones on top have more of a blue tint, and the ones on the bottom have a more green tint. These might be standard cards, but the breakdown is as follows: orange, purple, black, printing plate, and red. These look more blue, these look more green, and either blue or green are listed on the chart, so I'm going to presume that these are a standard card. If you're interested in any of these cards, let me know. We'll work something out. So the foil cards were right on the money. There's a 1 in 2 chance of getting a foil card. Again, 18 packs. I've got 9 foil cards. Therefore, that balanced out to have 9 foil cards. Now, as I've said through the video, if you're interested in any of these cards, let me know. We'll work something out to where we can get you the card. For our autograph card, we've got Jason Spisak as Lux Bonteri. If you're interested in this card to add to your collection, reach out to me in the comments and we'll work something out to get you this card. Lastly, by far, this is my favorite card from the entire box. It's a 1 in 72 chance of getting a sketch card. Received an autograph sketch card from Chris K of Baby Yoda, aka Grogu, aka the child. Beautiful card, beautiful sketch. This one's going to stay in my collection, but I just wanted to share it with you so you guys could see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future content. There will be another unboxing of the other Star Wars Holocron series coming soon. If you liked any of the cards in this video today that you would like for your collection, reach out to me in the comments, let me know, and we'll work something out to get you those cards. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.